Yeah, Naga City. Inyo marinig ko NCF Criminology, future defenders ng bayan. From books to boots, from theory to action. This is not just a cause, this is a mission. Yeah, sa puso ng siyudad, NCF ang tahanan. Criminology grads, sandigan ng bayan. Law enforcement, patrol, rules of court. Criminalistic, holistic,cation, lahat in short. Criminal law, criminological theories. Forensics, correctional, admin, serious. Psychology ng crime, ethics ng police. NCF, studyante, ready sa laban, no fuss.
Firearms and ballistics, traffic management, disaster, MG, mud crimes, hindi kami absent. Pag NCF ka, skills at knowledge complete. Graduates natin, every step a lead.
NCF, yeah, grip right tayo. Quality grads, lahat ready sa trabaho. Future cops, agents, leaders ng bayan. NCF, criminology, walang makakalaman. NCF, nation ready ang galing. Sa serbisyo publiko, kami ang aalipin. Tatak NCF, tatak matatag. Criminology, bright taas, no, walang bahan. Basic escalation, police operation, cybercrime, traffic law, full preparations, correctional counseling, disaster response, synergy, intelligence, di kami sablay, no nonsense. Reserve statistics, community policing, trying to reform, subject function sa walang missing. Professor's guide with values, dedication, hinuhubog ang utak, puso at disiplina sa aksyon.
Hindi lalakas, kundi utak ang sandata. Bawat habang planado, batas ang kasama. Sa init ng duty, sa bigat ng responsibilidad. NCF, tinuruan kaming tumayo ng may dignidad.
Sa komunidad, kami kakampi ng mamamayan. Hindi pang aabuso, kundi katarungan. Bawat big simbolo ng tiwala. NCF, criminology, panata, hindi lang diploma. NCF, NCF, CRAEF. From classroom to field, from notebook to shield. Hindi kami basta estudyante lang, kami ang susunod na